Hi, my name is Persia, and I am a San Francisco drag queen, and I'm coming to you live from my parents' dining room. Yes. So I'm here to do my first makeup tutorial. I've never done one before, but I just got asked to do one, and I was like, sure, why not? I love a challenge. Anyway, I'm here to give you like a little prom look, a very like subtle and yet very, um, glittery and shiny look. I start off with my full foundation, and then once I covered my circles, not my my dark eyes, and my under eyes, and then my beard, I go in with this, which is a concealer. I love a highlighter. I think I go a little too crazy on a highlighter, but you know what? Again, play with the makeup, feel it, make sure that whatever feels comfortable for you, and also what works for your face, because what works for your face may not work for mine, and that's fine. Once I've done like a very basic contour, I start on my eye. And there's my little wing, and there's that. And I don't know, let's see, this is giving me like a little Marilyn Monroe-ish kind of like wing. So you know what? Let's go with like, now I'm inspired a little bit by Marilyn Monroe. Let's get some of that white out. Where is that white? And here it is. And so now I'm just gonna get a little bit of white, some clown white as they call it, the drag queens. Not like everyone really. Well, anyway, and then just go under the eye. Now I'm just gonna let that set for a second, and then go with my eyebrow. Um, so a little copper to like just, and we will need to use a little block to really create that illusion of a crease if you're into that. It's again, it's about working with what you have. So learn your face and figure out what works best for you. Uh, and then let's see what else. And then I go back with the highlighter. I know I'm obsessed. I need some more color. So I'm gonna go with my favorite blue, which is this one. It's like really bright blue. And then just go under it. And then there's my eye. Now let's get some eyelashes up in there. So there's that, and I have that. And then you can do eyelashes for your bottom lash later, whatever. And I personally have been enjoying lately these bottom lashes. They're like individual, but they come in like in threes. There we go. Now we have, yeah, my eye is complete. Well, not really, because you know, my favorite thing in the world. Well, I have a lot of favorite things in the world, but when it comes to drag makeup, it's glitter. Who doesn't like glitter? So a little glitter goes a long way, and I like to put it up here. My face is done. Oh, except for the lips, of course. And this is really up to you. What do you feel like your lips should be? Oops, sorry, I keep moving this. Again, this is up to you. What makes you feel comfortable? What do you feel like will go with your eye? Um, I always use a red lip no matter what. Get yourself a little like white highlighter, dab it, dig in there, go back in there. It's my favorite thing to do. And get in there. And then it's like a surprise! You never know what color is gonna come out. So I hope you enjoy this. My name is Persia, and I am a San Francisco drag queen. And you can find me online on all the platforms, you know, the Instagrams of the world and the Twitters. I'm not on TikTok yet, but who knows, maybe soon. Anyway, this was a pleasure. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And this was my first makeup tutorial. I hope I did all right. I don't know. But you know what? Who cares? I enjoyed being here. And thank you so much. Hasta la vista, honey. Mwah.